Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope that you are waiting for the content that I'm sharing now. That is very easy, beautiful, creative, decent and elegant model style patterns of velvet embroidery designs. Yes friends, you have heard me right that you can do these design patterns specifically onto your velvet dresses, velvet kurti, velvet shirts, velvet tops, velvet blouse and velvet maxi gown or frocks as well. So the entire embroidery ideas are totally based on the velvet material of fabric, because these are winters and in winter the demand of velvet is very high, and velvet at the same time gives trendy, high, rich in color, delicacy, beautiful and a decent and exquisite touch of elegance at the same time. So as far as we are concerned about these design patterns, the answer to that question is very simple and easy. That is, they are easy to make patterns. They are very beautiful and representing a 3D embroidery patterns view. You can pair up these beautifully handmade, handcrafted velvet dresses, velvet kurtis, velvet kameez, along with the very beautiful churidar, along with tights, along with the plazo, along with any type of organza dupatta or any type of chiffon stallers as well. So I hope that you like my today's creative ideas, simple and easy and decent and elegant, beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. And if you want to get more creative, stylish and amazing ideas related to women fashion, related to hand art, related to hand embroidery, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, we try our best to share amazing, trendy and beautiful ideas with you. The concern, the basic motive and purpose of our video is to share beautiful, amazing and trendy ideas with you, and our purpose and our aim is never to copy someone's ideas, someone's art, someone's efforts. We just want to share amazing trendy patterns of beautiful handwork, hand art. And if you are a lover of hand art, if you are a beginner of hand embroidery, and if you are looking for beautiful and unique style pattern, easy to make hand embroidery ideas, then friends, believe me, this video collection is absolutely for you. You can make these design for teenagers, for your baby girl frocks and the different type of dressing codes as well, and you can design these very beautiful and elegant touch of color combination based velvet dresses onto women, elder age persons as well, because the delicacy and decency lies in all age groups of girls, women. So hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new content in my upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, stay blessed, be happy and spread positivity everywhere, and do support us like you always have been. Do like my video, leave massive comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share in my upcoming new videos.